And today we have a special guest. His name is Cole. Say hi, Cole.
Hello.
Today we're going to be unboxing his iPhone 12 mini. And like my iPhone 11 unboxing, which you might have saw. If you didn't, go watch it. I'll link the video in the description. This was his personal phone, so it has a screen protector. And like the iPhone 11, it does not come with a screen protector. Yeah, this phone is also 5G. As you can see by that SIM card. So let's get to the unboxing. Cole, will you do the honors?
Yep. Oh.
There's the phone right here. It's in product red. If I can get it out. Here it is. As you can see, the notch is still the same size. So the little things right there are smaller. And it's a lighter shade. I got my phone in an OtterBox case, but you can see it's definitely a lighter shade than the iPhone 11. And he's using a cleaning cloth, cleaning his clear case.
Needs to be perfectly clear.
Yeah. So there's the phone itself. I'll turn that on later. But it's already been set up, obviously. It's been his main phone for a little bit now. Then here's the instruction stuff, and like the iPhone 11, all of the product red iPhones come with this little product red slip saying it donates to charity, and you can pause the video if you want.
Donates to a HIV.
Yeah, you can pause the video if you want to. And then we got, like the iPhone 11, a USB-C to lightning cable. All the new iPhones with the slimmer box have that. And then I'll put that to the side, put the lid back on it, and let's power on the 12 mini. And this does have the OLED display, unlike the iPhone 11, it has the OLED display, so it can produce true blacks. And has HDR quality display. And I don't know his passcode, so I'll skip to that. And we're in. You got the home screen, and the whole thing is pretty smooth. And yeah, that's the unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini. It's $6.99 for 64 gigabytes, and I'm not sure for 128 and 256. And the camera, the camera bump on the iPhone 12 mini is bigger than the iPhone 11, just by a little bit, as you can see. I'll show the camera. Oops. You need the passcode again. And we're in again. I don't know his home screen, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go in the app library. And if you do 4K 30, come on, there we go. If you do 4K 30, it has Dolby Vision right there. Highest quality video in a smartphone according to Apple. So yeah, that's the unboxing and review of the iPhone 12 mini. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. And again, like in all my other videos, I forgot to mention something. This little thing right here, if you don't know what that is, it's a 5G antenna. So you can get 5G capabilities on this phone.